Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Backup documents and create a system restore point so you can recover if needed. Next, verify your Windows 10 build and sign into an administrator account. This ensures permissions for reinstall. Once done, confirm you have internet or have downloaded Defender updates offline. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and access Windows security settings to begin the reinstall process. Don't delay. Begin the concrete steps now. You run the heavy commands carefully. Open PowerShell as administrator and uninstall the Microsoft Defender apps only if corrupted, then use AddApps package to reinstall core packages. Make sure to run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then sfc/scano to fix system files. This repairs underlying issues that break security components. Once those complete, reset the Windows Security app in Settings or re-register app, packages so definitions, and UI return to normal. You finish by updating virus definitions and running a full scan to confirm protection is active. This validates reinstall success. Then verify services like Security Health and WinDefend are running, and check Windows Update for any pending patches. If something still fails, perform an in-place upgrade repair with the Media Creation tool to replace corrupt components without losing apps. One troubleshooting tip: if services won't start, boot to safe mode and reapply the power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.